root of 1 minus sine 2x dx. It was given alpha plus beta root 2 plus gamma root 3. And 3 alpha plus 4 beta minus gamma equal to how much in that case? And if you simplify this, we will get modulus of sin x minus cos x. If you simplify this root of 1 minus sine 2x, if you simplify, then we will got this one. And under limits pi by 6 to pi by 3 dx. Because 1 can be written as sine square x cos square x, sine square x plus cos square x, and sine square x plus cos square x, and sine 2x means 2 sine x cos x. It will be either you can write cos x minus sine x whole square or sine x minus cos x whole square, and square and root got cancel and take a modulus sign. And next we know that from 30 to 45 sin x is higher, and 45 to 60 cos x is higher. So accordingly we will plan this integral. So pi by 6 to pi by 4, cos x is higher, so cos x minus sin x we will write, and then plus pi by 4 to pi by 3, and the next case sin x is higher, sin x minus cos x dx, and we will do integration. Cos x integral sin x, and this is integral sin x integral minus cos x, minus half minus plus cos x, and this is what pi by 6 means 30 degrees and 45 degrees, plus minus cos x minus sin x under limits 45 degrees to 60 degrees. And we will write the upper limit first. Sin 45 plus cos 45 is 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2. Upper limit minus lower limit sin 30 1 by 2 cos 30 root 3 by 2. And take minus outside as a common factor. And the cos 60 is 1 by 2 plus sin 60 is root 3 by 2. And then minus lower limit cos 45 and plus sin 45. And these two things are repeated twice, and these are also repeated twice. So you can write 2 times of 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2, and then minus root 3 plus 1 by 2. I did LCM. Multiply it. 4 out of root 2 minus 2 got cancelled. Root 3 minus 1. If you check with the problem, here alpha is a number, root 2 quotient beta, root 3 quotient gamma. So here you can see 2 root 2 minus root 3 minus 1. So alpha is minus 1, and beta is root 2 quotient which is 2, and gamma is minus 1. And they are asking 3 alpha 4 beta minus gamma. 3 alpha plus 4 beta minus gamma. 3 alpha means minus 3 plus 4 beta means 4 into 2 8 minus half minus plus 1. 8 plus 1 9 minus 3, which is 6 is the answer of this question.